Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another silly face, and this time it's gonna be the LOL guy. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this LOL guy, and I think it's gonna be super easy. So to begin, we're just gonna draw his eyeballs. And so that's gonna be one, and then this one's gonna be a little bit wobbly. So kind of skew to that side. And then after that, just drawing the eyeball. It's looking in different directions. And then after that, right below this eye, just draw one big curve like this. Okay, and then from there, this is actually gonna be his mouth. So we're gonna pinch it in. And then now we're gonna come back out again. So it's gonna be the same curve as the one we've done on the top. So it's almost like a peanut shape. Okay, and then from there we're just gonna draw a little outline in there. This is gonna be his lip. So it doesn't have to be perfect, it's actually better if you do it wobbly. And then inside is gonna be his teeth, so we're just gonna draw two lines like this. And we'll draw in some lines for teeth. And then on the bottom as well. And again, crooked is actually better for this. Okay, so this makes it look sillier. And then his tongue is just in here. We'll just draw one line like that. And then from there, we're actually almost done. So right here, I'm gonna draw two lines like this because this is gonna be his mouth, right, sticking up. So then from there, let's go back up into the eyeball. So we're gonna draw one eyebrow here, and I'm just gonna make it a little bit thicker. And another one up here. Again, a little bit thicker. And then now we can draw the head. So we're gonna close this line here. We're gonna continue this curve. And then we're gonna go up, kind of round the other brow. And then now we're just gonna come back down. Okay, and then now we're gonna go down, down, just a couple of little lumps here. Okay, so that's pretty much the face. And now we're just gonna try to draw it lightly. Just draw some lines right here. First, this lip, and then on the side, it's a little bit more creasing, and then right here in the corner of the eye, and then on the forehead here, just a couple few lines. And that's it for this LOL guy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other funny looking face as well, like the troll face. So hope you guys like this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.